Hello everyone. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about what are the changes in syllabus have been made in EC, GATE EC for 2021 as compared to the 2020. So GATE examination has already been announced and it is in the first week of February, and every electronics communication GATE aspirants must know what are the changes have been made in 2021 GATE examination. So let's begin. You can see here there are three columns: GATE 2020 syllabus, GATE 2021 syllabus, changes in 2021 EC syllabus. Let us first start with the engineering mathematics. So basically almost all the syllabus, major portion of the syllabus are similar. There is no changes in the syllabus in major portion, but few of the portions have been excluded. As you can see here, the excluded portions are numerical methods, solutions of nonlinear equations, single and multi-step methods for differential equations, convergence criteria. And the topic which has been included in 2021 GATE syllabus is sequences, series, convergence, tests. So this is the portion which has been included. Otherwise, all the topics such as calculus, mean value, linear equations, matrix algebra, independence matrix algebra, so almost all the portions are as it is. Only the few portions have been excluded. So you can see here, this is in the last portion of the syllabus, numerical method solutions of nonlinear equations, single and multi-step methods for differential equations, convergence criteria. This portion has been excluded. Now coming to the networks, signals and system, section 2. This is the section 2 of the syllabus EC. So in this particular subject, the excluded portion is FFT, that is fast Fourier transform. So generally an EC student studies about the decimation in time algorithm, decimation in frequency algorithm in fast Fourier transform topic, and it has been excluded. But the portions which has been included are representations, signal flow graph, transient and steady state analysis, LTI systems, frequency response, Rauch-Hurwitz and Nyquist stability criteria, Bode plot and root locus plots, lag lead compensation, state variable models, and solutions of state equations of LTI system. So just by looking at these included portions, you can easily visualize that this is actually a portion of control system. Okay, so look at here. Here in control system, the portions which was in 2020 has now been shifted to the 2021 signals and system, and the portions which are here is basic control system components, feedback principle, transfer function, block diagram. So ultimately you can say that between signals and system and control system there is no major changes. Almost all the portions of control system has been shifted to the signals and system portion. So basically you need to study the control system completely, which was in 2020 syllabus. So basically there is no major change in signals and system and control system. So this excluded part of control system is now included to the signals and system subject, has been included to the signals and system subject. Okay. Now coming to the third section, that is electronic devices, energy bands in intrinsic and extrinsic silicon, carrier transport, diffusion current, drift current, mobility and resistivity, generation and recombination of carriers, Poisson's and continuity equations, PN junction, Zener diode, BJT, MOS, capacitor, MOSFET, LED, photodiode and solar cells. So basically this portion which was earlier in 2020 syllabus, integrated circuits, fabrication process, oxidation, diffusion, ion implantation, photolithography and twin-tube CMOS process. So basically this is the portion of MEMS, the topic MEMS, and this portion has been excluded. No new topic has been included, but this portion has been excluded. So a GATE aspirant did not study about this topic actually. Okay. Basically, in almost all the university, they do not have this topic in VLSI or even in electronic devices. Basically, students of master's degree study this particular topic. I hope that might be the reason they have excluded this particular topic from the GATE syllabus. Otherwise, all other portions are remain unchanged. Coming to the analog circuit portion. So basically, in analog circuit portions, function generator, wave shaping circuit, 555 timers, voltage reference circuits, power supplies, ripples, removal and regulations. So this portion has been excluded. So this is my excluded portion, that is function generator, wave shaping circuit. And no new topic has been included. But remember one thing, now if a GATE aspirant is studying about the clipper, clamper, rectifiers, he must cover the portion of voltage reference circuits, power supplies, ripple remover and regulations. So ultimately you can say that these portions are not actually excluded. This is a portion of wave shaping circuit itself. So you need to study this topic actually. But the 555 timer IC has been excluded. Now coming to the digital circuits, a major changes has been made in digital circuits. They have removed the 8-bit microprocessor 8085 architecture, programming, memory and IO interfacing. This portion has been excluded. And the new chapter which has been included is computer organization, machine instructions and addressing modes, ALU, data path and control unit instruction pipelining. So this portion has been included, whereas this portion has been excluded. Now coming to the control system portion, we discussed already so that the most of the portion of control system has been shifted to the signal sense system. Now coming to the communication, so the excluded portion is, which was earlier present in the 2020 syllabus, basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA. So this is the only portion which has not been included in 2021 syllabus. Coming to the electromagnetics, there is no changes in electromagnetics. Even if you find some differences in the syllabus, but ultimately you can say that they are all related to each other. So we can say there is no major change in electromagnetics. So this is all about the major changes in the EC syllabus of 2021 as compared to the 2020. So you can visit my site www.vkyacademy.com for this particular article. I'll give the link of this particular website in the description block. You can visit the website and you can go through these differences. Thank you.